Needlepointers.com here. Recently I was making garden dish flowers and I wanted to use copper tubing for the stems. The copper tubing was too long, so I needed to find some sort of tool to cut it, but I did not want to spend a lot of money. I found this HDX Junior Tube Cutter. The cutter will cut copper and PVC piping from 1/8 inch to 5/8 inches in diameter. It has a knob for opening and closing the cutting jaw and a cutting wheel to cut the tubing. It is simple to use. Just turn the knob until it opens the cutting jaw. Line it up on the tubing wherever you want and tighten the cutting wheel with the knob. Rotate the cutter around the tube. Tightening it every few turns. Continue rotating and tightening until the tube is cut. I found this tool easy to use and it worked well for my project. Best of all, it was reasonably priced. To get this tool for yourself and to learn how to make the garden dish flowers shown at the beginning of this video, click the iCard or the link in the description below. For more crafting, do-it-yourself tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Google+. Links are below. Also visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of crafting information, free projects, and tutorials.